Okay.
Well, I proceed.
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yep.
Well, thank you, the fourth estate and Mbunge la Mwananchi at large, national headquarters. I want to take this opportunity to iron out on some very few issues, and especially this issue of sovereignty, powers of the people of Kenya. I want to support 100% to Manyata, Member of Parliament, Honorable Mwaniki John Mukunji Gitonga, for his push to ensure that Wananchi are given enough power to be incorporated in the impeachment of their leaders. Because you find these powers which have been given to MPs, some of them are not popular on ground. Some of them won with a very slim margin, and they cannot be given enough more powers to impeach president, to impeach deputy president, to impeach governor, deputy governor, senator, member of parliament, women representative, and also MCS. So powers should also be given to the people, the electorate within a given jurisdiction. And for that support, I support that bill, and I support the member of parliament to push it also in parliament and ensure that when it comes to impeachment in future, the people of Kenya can be incorporated. For instance, if a member of parliament has even misappropriated his constituency development fund, the people can collect signatures and file the petition. IEBC incorporated, the High Court incorporated, so that the people's power at the ballot is reflected also in the management of county affairs. That's all I wanted to share.